Okay, just a quick video here to show the installation of label connector for QuickBooks 2019 version. So if you go to the AccuWare website and go to our support page, we have a number of support elements kind of all centralized there. Go to the label connector trial, and it's going to download in the lower left corner. Select open. It will make changes to your computer, allow that. Sometimes there's a small delay depending on your download speeds and things while our sort of background components are downloading. So that before that first screen emerges is going to depend on the speed of your system and your connection. So the first component installs QBLC 13. You do have to press finish at that point for it to begin the second phase of the install, and then very standard agree to the user license agreement. You can keep the standard path in most cases. Okay, and the installation is complete. Thank you for watching our install video on Label Connector for QuickBooks.